Hey hamsters, here's today's cipher. The word for today is shards. For S, we have dots, dots, dots. For H, we have four dots. That's dot, 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 dot. For A, we have dot, hyphen. For R, we have dot, hyphen, dot. For D, we have hyphen, dot, dot. For S, which is the last letter, we have dot, dot, dot. You have it. Take the prize. So 1 million coins have been added to my balance. So you can do likewise and get your coins. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get updated once I drop any video. So that's the cipher for today. Remember to join in tomorrow for tomorrow's cipher. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Do have a lovely time. Bye.